Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon and I have been bringing you all along for this whole process. So today I'm giving you a before and after look at our farmhouse style family room. So there are lots of projects that we did in here that I've included you all on and created tutorials. So I will link all of those down in the description box below if you'd like to see any specific particular thing that you see in here and get more details on it. And that would include how we painted the living room and the pocket doors. I also did a tutorial on the farmhouse style curtains. There's a whole video on our entryway as well as our cozy sectional that you'll see behind me. We also did a makeover on the TV stand and also an end table. And then I also did a whole tutorial on the big farmhouse style sign that you see behind me. But there's a couple other things that you'll see in the background here that I haven't done tutorials on. So I wanted to catch you up and add those couple things into this video here. So the first thing are the floating shelves that you see behind me. I have a full tutorial on those that I made quite a while back, but we also just installed them here. Basically, these shelves are really simple and have a 2x2 frame that you install onto the wall first, and then you build boxes out of 1x and then attach those boxes onto the braces, and that's what creates the floating shelf look. Here. And then also the basket, which was a bargain find at Target that I updated to make it work for our space. I decided to give this basket some feet, so I used some 2x2s for this and then inserted some 1x2 braces to the inside of the basket to give it more structure and stability. Then I measured the inside of the basket and created a plan and just created a liner for the inside of the basket using drop cloth. So it was really inexpensive, and I just made sure that the fit was correct before I pieced the liner together. And I would suggest sewing this so it has more stability. However, I'm not a sewer, so I used hemming tape. Once the liner was complete, I just put it in my basket, and then I also used some jute to attach the lid to the top so that it wouldn't come off and it was easy to flip open. The basket really came together in the end. I love the look of it, and it also provides additional storage for our family room. And I also have updated the space for spring, so you'll see lots of touches of lavender here and there, so I kind of have that theme going on. So now that I've updated you on what we've done so far, let me give you the final reveal and show you the before and after, and then I'll also give you more of an in-depth tour. So sit back, get cozy, and enjoy our farmhouse style family room tour. I hope you have enjoyed the tour and that you see that you can do a lot of DIY projects on a budget to create a beautiful space in your home. And if you have any questions about any of the details that you saw in the tour today, you can check out those tutorials that I have linked in the description box below, or you can also leave me a question down in the comment section. I hope this tutorial inspired you. Make sure to take a second and give it a thumbs up for me. You can also hit the share button underneath this video and share it with your friends and family and inspire them as well. But make sure to subscribe and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on my DIY YouTube channel. You can also hit the bell next to the subscribe button and get notified when those videos go live. I want to thank you all so much again for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.